Next, what we're going to do is introduce you to our career panel, and they are each going to represent a different category in this brochure that you have. So we are going to start with Stephane. If you would unmute yourself, I would love all of the panelists to introduce yourself, tell us who you are, and let us know a little bit about your career path. What aspirations you might have had in middle school, and then what milestones along the way got you to the job that you have right now, and describe that job. So we'll start with Stephane.
All right, my name is, can everybody hear me? Mic check.
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, so my name is Stephane. I went to Colchester Middle School. And yeah, so when I was in middle school, I wanted to be like a superstar actor. I wanted to be a singer. Back then, everybody just wanted to be on the big screen, be a movie star, something where your mom can notice you and be proud of. So we grew up dreaming of, Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez, all the superstar singers. So that's what I wanted to do. But as time went on, turned out I couldn't sing that well. So I had to pick up a different thing that I wanted to put my interest into. And I played video games a lot. I did that like 24/7. That's all we did after school, just play video games. So I thought to myself, why don't I try learning how the games worked and all that good stuff? So that's how I got introduced to computers. And I started learning about that instead. And then into high school, I kind of grew aspiration for learning, what's really going on in the background of a computer, because you just see the front of it, but you don't really know how it works in the back end. So throughout high school, that's what I started doing. And then eventually I went into college, and that's what I did for my major. And just this past May, I graduated, so class of 2023. And yeah, some milestones that I would say I came into a lot was just you're never sure of what you really want to do, because I wanted to be a musician, and then before I picked up computers, I did a few other things along the way. I tried playing instruments. I tried being a soccer player, played some football too, and I was never too sure what do I see myself doing in the future. So I guess trying a bunch of different things and just being comfortable with changing up the aspirations and what drives you, as long as you know you're interested in this thing right now, that's the best thing you can do is apply it and learn it. And yeah, that's what I kind of just kept doing, and until I found something that I saw myself doing more and more. Because if I picked something I didn't like, I would do it for like a month and then stop, and then do it for another month and then stop. But when I started doing something every day and I started getting the love for it, that's when I really knew it was what I wanted. And so what I do for work today is I just graduated, and I'm a software engineer. I work for a HVAC contractor. So I heard some school like Putney, Brattleboro, White River Valley. We do work out there. We do work for the state. We do work for hospitals like UVM. Honestly, any business in the state that needs, so HVAC is heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and cooling. So think of like the air you're getting up. So when it's warm, when it's cold outside, like right now, you want it to be warm inside so you're not freezing. And when it's warm outside, you want it to be a little cold inside so you're not too hot. So we just do work to keep people calm and air conditioned in buildings.